Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Service, Part 24. In this video, I will show you how to share a screen while live streaming in Bigo Live application. First, open your Bigo Live application. Go to the live streaming page by clicking on this little camera icon below. Select Normal Live. Here, once you enter the live streaming piece, make sure you turn off the camera. To turn off your camera, click on that camera icon above. As shown in the video, when you click on it, it will ask you to confirm by tapping on Confirm. Your camera will be turned off. You can notice the background when you turn off your camera. Now, click on that Go Live button to start your live streaming. Currently, your background and screen are visible to your viewers. You can also click on Direct Backspace and navigate through other applications and share your screen. To go back to the live streaming page, either you can click on the application or scroll down the above screen and click on it. So, this is how you share screen while live streaming in Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.